Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at two new palettes from Ladybug Glow, Grunge Resolution and this one which is Floresta Inverno. I didn't think I was going to be very excited about this one, and I thought this one was the be-all and end-all and I had to have it. When I looked for it on the Gourmand Girls website, they didn't have this, so I was really super disappointed. But later on, they did start to stock it, so whilst I was ordering this, I kind of ignored this one and didn't bother with it. Look at that colour story. Oh, this pale bluey, greeny, bluey gorgeousness at the end here. And this marbled shade, you can see it's silver and green. Oh my goodness, I was so excited about it. But then I thought, you know what, I'm going to get the other one. And they had it on Monolith, so I ordered it from there. Just, postage really. And then this has arrived, and do you know what? I don't know if I'm not more excited about this one. Look at these shades. And you're seeing purple on the screen right now, but from my angle, it's green and orange. Let's see if I can make it do it for you. It is quite a stunning shade. Yeah, no, not really. Anywho, we will swatch them all out, and look at this. Kind of gold and yellow and orange with green bits in it. Makes it look like it's got a disease. I can't wait to try them all. Okay, we'll start with this one, the Grunge Resolution, and as you can see we've got 10 shades, 4 shimmers, 6 mattes, and yeah, I am very excited about these. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so these mattes are super, oh my goodness, super buttery, and that is a greenish grey. Just lovely. We've got this one, which is a really attractive looking brown. This one, Midnight. Ooh, that is a gorgeous dark blue. Okay, I just cleaned my fingertips and these are still stained. Unbelievable. Okay, then we've got this gorgeous lilac. A real blurple colour. And then this one, which is called Muck. And then this one, ooh, pretty, which is called Cloudy. Okay, so those are the mattes. Let's do the shimmers. Okay, I'll do these on the back of my hand. So here's the one on the far left, which is clearly a beautiful multi-chrome. That, oh, wow. Oh my God, I love that color so much. It's green, but it's also a kind of pinkish gold. That is so pretty. Okay, then we've got Resolution. Oh, that is smooth. Very smooth peach and gold with a slight hint of green in there. Oh my goodness. And then New Year. These feel great. You know, you're not going to need to use a silicone applicator for this. You'll just be able to put them straight on with a brush. That's amazing. Oh my God, they're so good. I cannot believe how green this looks from where I'm sitting. I wish I could show you just how green that actually is. Wow. And then finally we've got Grime, which is to me the most interesting shade, but may not be to you. Look at that, it's silver and green. That is such a favorite. Oh my goodness. Okay, love, love, love. Wow, I have never had anything from Ladybug Glow and I'm so excited to have these. Okay, let's move on to palette number 2, which is the Floresta Inverno. I don't know why, I just think of Disco Inferno when I see this colour story particularly. That is so, so delightful. I'll put the mattes alongside here down the edge of my arm. Just get you in a bit closer. Okay, we're starting with Wisteria, this beautiful pale lilac, which looks like that, and you can see straight away the difference between the two. And then there's this gorgeous green here. Wow, that is pigmented as, and it's actually a kind of dark teal, really. very blue-green. And then we've got Frigid, which is a sort of mauve brown. It looks like that. And then we have this cobalt blue, which looks like that. Wow, that is bright and beautiful. This mulberry shade, which looks like that. And then finally, this pink. Wow, which is a really deep, dark pinkish colour. So here are all the mattes. Let's do the shimmers. Okay, so this intriguing shade is called Flora. And it is, oh wow. Okay, that is really pretty and bright. Gorgeous. And then this one. These are dry, guys. Not flaky, you know, fall off dry, but not squishy even slightly. That's amazing to me. I fully expected them to be proper squishy types of shades. And then we've got this one, which is called Floresta. Ooh, okay, so mixing all that together. Okay, that's an interesting shade. That's got pink and silver and purple, and it almost looks like there's hollow in there. That is very beautiful. And then the final shade, which is called, I can't read it honestly, it's so small. Oh, Frosty. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this looks like. We'll put that here. Okay, that is a kind of frosty pink, peach, with gold flecks and silver flecks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here are the two palettes, looking amazing. Oh, I am thrilled with it. Okay, I'll call that the end of this video. So thanks so much for watching. I don't know about you, but I personally feel that these two together make absolutely perfect companions. And I can see myself digging into both of them at the same time, you know, using them both together. They are just lovely. All right, I will see you soon for the next one. Take care, stay safe, everybody.